Yeah, it's going down, going down, going down, going down. Suckers, I can't stand them. Say nigga, your mouth done running the flex, but can your ass cash them? Because of your mouth, we coming to collect, coming out your ass, damn them. We weeding them out, we still with the flex, we pull up and blast random. They know what I'm about, I do it the best, the first and last standing. They do it for clout, you niggas a mess, I'm ready to crash, ram them. They call me the count, cause I never rest, I'm with the fans, vamping. So turn me your loud, but never forget that I'm the damn anthem. Them niggas talk loud, but never a threat, believe I can't handle them. Never needed a voucher, earn respect, so understand platinum. I'm leaving them thirsty, begging for my verses like they panhandling. Just say they amount you willing to bet, my nigga, this can't happen. I know you a slouch when put to the test, my nigga, you're barely average. Mad savage, spit that shit's a bad habit. Soon as they lift that bag, grab it. A+ with my mathematics, magnum in the stag, got it. Cocked in, ready to blast at him. Angle snatch that bag, man, and after that I dash on them. When I flow, I pour just like rain. When I flow, I pour just like rain. When I flow, I pour just like rain. Like rain. Just like rain. When I flow, I pour just like rain. When I flow, I pour just like rain. When I flow, I pour just like rain. Like rain, it's like rain. Bitch, I'm the man. My shit is so potent, they try to control it, consider me contraband. The flow is so cold, act like you don't flow through it like Aquaman. Ride my way, come catch a vibe in the mind they crave. They see me shine from a mile away. Yo, kind never get the time of day. See, I never met a competitor, competition to me is foreign. They normal, simple, they boring. If they died, I won't even mourn them. Somebody warn them, I'm warning ya, I'm warning ya. Come and take another look in my eyes, see how we're more than thugs. They know it's incredible, flow is impeccable, don't need a metaphor, get to the point. They be so predictable, missing the principle, typical niggas, nothing original. Keep them at minimum distance, limited entry, no bitch niggas allowed. Suckers don't even get mentioned, pay no attention to nobody's running their mouth. Whenever they run up, I got one up and I stun them. As soon as they figuring they about to come up, I load gun up and I plug them. We get it in sundown to sun up, my niggas turn up like it's nothing. When they hit the floor, they start to wonder if it's lightning or thunder. It's rain. When I flow, I pour just like rain. When I flow, I pour just like rain. When I flow, I pour just like rain. Like rain, just like rain. When I flow, I pour just like rain. When I flow, I pour just like rain. When I flow, I pour just like rain. Like rain, it's like rain.
Begitu saja kau pergi dan membuatku terluka. Tidakkah kau mendengar rasa sedihku? Bisakah kau tak hilangkan aku dari